Bitcoin's rollercoaster ride, navigating the latest highs and lows. Introduction. Is Bitcoin poised for a historic surge or a dramatic fall? In the ever-volatile world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin remains the undisputed leader, capturing the attention of investors, policymakers, and the public alike. As of March 26, 2025, Bitcoin's price hovers around $88,036, reflecting a modest increase of approximately 1.1% from the previous close. This stability comes after a period of significant fluctuations, with intraday highs reaching $88,525 and lows dipping to $86,969. The question on everyone's mind: is Bitcoin gearing up for an unprecedented surge, or are we on the brink of a substantial downturn? BlackRock's foray into European Bitcoin markets. In a groundbreaking move, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has launched its first Bitcoin exchange-traded product, ETP, in Europe, domiciled in Switzerland and listed in major financial hubs like Paris, Amsterdam, and Frankfurt. This initiative aims to tap into the growing demand for cryptocurrency exposure across the continent. Having already attracted over $50 billion into similar products in the United States, BlackRock's European venture signifies a notable shift in institutional acceptance of digital assets. GameStop's bold Bitcoin investment. In an unexpected pivot, GameStop has announced its entry into the cryptocurrency market by investing in Bitcoin. This strategic move led to an 8.3% surge in its stock price during after-hours trading. The decision aligns GameStop with other major corporations like Tesla and Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, which have also integrated Bitcoin into their treasury reserves. This investment reflects GameStop's efforts to adapt to the evolving digital landscape and diversify its assets amid challenges in the traditional gaming retail sector. Bitcoin versus gold, the safe haven debate. Despite Bitcoin's growing popularity, it continues to struggle in matching gold's status as a safe haven asset. In 2025, gold has surged by over 15%, reaching an all-time high of $3,050 per ounce, while Bitcoin has experienced a 9% decline, with significant price swings between $106,000 in January and $77,000 in March. Institutional investors remain cautious about Bitcoin's volatility, leading to substantial inflows into gold ETFs and outflows from crypto ETFs. For Bitcoin to rival gold as a risk-averse asset, it must achieve greater stability and broader acceptance. President Trump's vision. Making America the crypto capital president. Donald Trump has pledged to transform the United States into the leading Bitcoin superpower and global cryptocurrency hub. In a recent address, he criticized previous administrations for their restrictive stance on crypto and announced plans to introduce clear regulations for stablecoins and market structures. Trump emphasized the potential economic growth and strengthening of the US dollar through dollar-backed stablecoins, envisioning an era of financial development centered in the US. Market sentiments. Have we seen Bitcoin's peak for 2025? Betting markets are currently signaling that Bitcoin may have already reached its peak for the year. A polymarket bet with significant trading volume indicates a 61% chance that Bitcoin will hit $110,000 in 2025, but confidence diminishes for higher targets. Economic concerns, including potential recession and inflation, have impacted risk assets, with Bitcoin dropping below $80,000 recently. While some analysts remain optimistic, citing favorable policies under President Trump, the market remains divided on Bitcoin's trajectory for the remainder of the year. Analyzing Bitcoin's recent price movements. Bitcoin has experienced a significant drop of over 20% from its record high in January, trading around $84,353 recently. This decline is partly driven by concerns over President Trump's tariff policies and broader macroeconomic conditions. Despite a brief rebound following the Federal Reserve's decision to slow quantitative tightening, analysts believe further downside risks remain due to ongoing uncertainties in global trade and inflation. Conclusion: navigating the uncertain terrain of Bitcoin's future. As Bitcoin continues to capture headlines and provoke debates, its future remains uncertain. Institutional investments, regulatory developments, and macroeconomic factors all play pivotal roles in shaping its trajectory. Investors and enthusiasts alike must stay informed and exercise caution in this dynamic landscape. Thought-provoking insight. While Bitcoin's volatility poses challenges for its adoption as a mainstream asset, its underlying blockchain technology continues to inspire innovations across various sectors, potentially redefining the future of digital transactions and decentralized finance.